Hey guys, it's me for Redwall, and welcome to my playthrough of Skyrim Special Edition using the ASCENSIO Modlist. Let's get into it. Skip the introduction. No. Alright, so I decided to give another Modlist a try. This is called ASCENSIO, and it's also another visual overhaul like the previous Modlist that I tried, but with added, I think, animation replacers. Looks nice. And
hey, you're finally awake. You were trying to cross the border, right? Walked right into that Imperial ambush, same as us. And that thief over there.
Damn you Stormcloaks. Skyrim was fine until you came along. Empire was nice and lazy. If they hadn't been looking for you, I could have stolen that horse and been halfway to Hammerfell. You there, you and me, we shouldn't be here. It's these Stormcloaks the Empire wants.
We're all brothers and sisters in binds now, thief.
Shut up back there.
What's wrong with him, huh?
Watch your tongue. You're speaking to Ulfric Stormcloak, the true High King.
Ulfric?
Uh-oh.
The Jarl of Windhelm? You're the leader of the rebellion, but if they've captured you... Oh gods, where are they taking us?
I don't know where we're going, but Sovngarde awaits.
No, this can't be happening. This isn't happening.
Hey, what village are you from, horse thief?
Why do you care?
A Nord's last thoughts should be of home.
Rorikstead. I'm from Rorikstead.
Very nice. I had no problem downloading this Modlist. It didn't give me any trouble. Just at the beginning, when I opened the mod organizer, it gave me like a really long error message. But then once I exited that error message, it loaded up mod organizer just fine, and I was able to run the game. I'll have to go back and look to see what it was that it flagged me for. And I'll go probably in the Discord and ask for help or questions.
Good. Let's get this over with.
Ah, it looks so good, man.
Sure. Mara, Debella, Kinnarev, Akatosh, Divines, please help me.
Look at him. General Tullius, the military governor. And it looks like the Thalmor are with him. Damn elves. I bet they had something to do with this. This is Helgen. I used to be sweet on a girl from here. Wonder if Vilod is still making that mead with juniper berries mixed in. Funny. When I was a boy, Imperial walls and towers used to make me feel so safe.
Who are they, Daddy? Where are they going?
You have to go inside, little cub.
Why? I want to watch the soldiers.
Inside the house. Now.
Yes, Papa.
Getting a few stutters here and there,
Why are we stopping?
but not bad.
Why do you think? End of the line. Let's go. Shouldn't keep the gods waiting for us.
No, wait, we're not rebels.
Face your death with courage, thief.
You've got to tell them we weren't with you. This is a mistake.
Step towards the block when we call your name. One at a time.
Empire loves their damn lists.
Ulfric Stormcloak, Jarl of Windhelm.
It has been an honor, Jarl Ulfric.
Ralof of Riverwood.
Don't run.
Lokir of
Don't
Rorikstead.
run, dude.
No, I'm not a rebel. You can't do this.
Halt!
You're not gonna kill me.
Archers! Anyone else feel like running?
Wait.
Nope.
You there. Step forward. Who are you?
Oh, jeez, didn't even let him finish his sentence. Okay, this time I'm gonna go with an Imperial. Oh.
5 hours later.
All right. Clean shaven military style. His name's gonna be
You're a long way from the Imperial City. What are you doing in Skyrim? Captain, what should we do? He's not on the list.
Forget the list. He goes to the block.
By your orders, Captain. I'm sorry. We'll make sure your remains are returned to Cyrodiil. Follow the captain, prisoner.
oh.
Ulfric Stormcloak. Some here in Helgen call you a hero, but a hero doesn't use a power like the voice to murder his king and usurp his throne. You started this war, plunged Skyrim into chaos, and now the Empire is going to put you down and restore the peace.
What was that?
It's nothing. Carry on.
Yes, General Tullius. Give them their last rites.
As we commend your souls to Aetherius, blessings of the 8
I
divines.
might end up changing the name if I can later.
Let's get this over.
I don't know, I just couldn't think of a good name. But I know I wanted to make an Imperial character
I haven't
and
got all morning.
do the Civil War on the Empire side.
My ancestors are smiling at me, Imperials. Can you say the same?
The way.
Come on now, dawg. Come on, man.
What in oblivion is that?
Sentries, what do you see?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Go.
Hey, you! Get out! Come on! The gods won't give us another chance! This way!
Let's go. Oh.
Legends be true?
Legends don't burn down villages.
Up through the tower! Let's go! This way, friends! Move! Let's go! We just need to move some of these rocks to clear the way.
Yo. Oh, it's different. Ugh. It's creepier. Creepy face.
See the inn on the other side? Jump through the roof and keep going.
Go! We'll follow when we can.
Alright, let's go.
Hammond, you need to get over here now.
Let me take a closer look.
That's it, son.
Oh,
Make me proud.
oh. Man. Right, I'm gonna be joining again the Empire.
Stay close to the wall.
To redeem myself from running away.
Quickly, follow me.
I think these textures look way different. It looks really cool.
Getting you out of here.
It's you and me, prisoner. Stay close.
Keep your eyes on it.
Raylo, you damn traitor. Out of my way.
We're escaping, Emperor. You're not stopping us this time.
Fine. I hope that dragon takes you all to Sovereign God.
Oh.
With me, prisoner. Let's go.
Alright, now this way.
Quick! I can cut you loose inside the key.
Five hours later.
Go ahead.
There you go.
Thank
Take
you.
a look around. There should be plenty of gear to choose from.
Alright,
I'm going to see
yes.
if I can find something for these burns.
I want some Imperial armor. What's the Skyrim? Is any of these? Oh,
Got to be a sword or two in one of these chests.
helmet.
You better get some.
Hold up before that.
See if one of these chests
That's
has
everything,
some-
right? There isn't much in here, so let's go. Take the key. Put on this armor. Equip this
Give that sword a few swings too.
sword.
Let's keep moving. That thing is still out there.
Oh, I can't go into third person. Is that how the Modlist is set up? It can't be.
Come on, this way.
Oh, is it?
We need to get moving. That dragon is tearing up the whole keep.
Just give me a minute. I'm out of bed.
Hear that? Stormcloaks. Maybe we can reason with them.
Alright, go ahead.
Hold on now. We only want to.
Imperium!
If you want to die.
Lucky. I will kill you!
Fuck him on. Actually, they're less Cadavar than me.
You people!
That's the best help I can. Let me see if I can get that door open.
Can I go into the MCM menu? Mod configuration? Yes, it is. Here it is. Ah, man. Target lock. Just turn everything off. Oh, photo mode is in here. Nice. Yeah! See, there we go. Now I can look at my character. Oh, hold up. Is this also a smooth camera? Preset? No. Or maybe it hasn't loaded in fully yet? Yeah, cause it's, hold up. That's vanilla, right? I think it is.
Where in Oblivion
The camera wasn't adjusted or anything. I think it's
way
vanilla.
out? Prisoners are escaping!
Right? I don't know, it just seems like it's zoomed out a little bit.
You can't beat me.
That's your best, huh?
Oh, that's nice combat, man. Oh.
For the Emperor!
Mercy!
What a difference in the combat from vanilla.
I knew I heard something.
I'll see you in
Or at least just with that. Those swings. Got an arrow in the shoulder.
Find a way out.
Alright. Yes?
Let's see where this goes.
Out a little bit.
Wait.
Where is Alduin? It's like the second time that I do not see
Looks like
him.
he's gone for good this time. But I don't think we should stick around to see if he comes back. Closest town from here is
Completed.
Riverwood. My uncle's the blacksmith there. I'm sure he'd help
Started
you out.
before the storm.
It's probably best if we split up.
Talk to
Good
Algor
luck.
and Riverwood.
I wouldn't have made it without your help today.
No, I'm going with you. I want to redeem myself after having gone AWOL from
Listen,
the Legion.
you should go to
I want to go
Solitude
back
and join up
if
with the
you will
Imperial
accept
Legion.
me.
We could really
Or
use
if
someone
General
like you.
Tullius will
If the
accept
rebels
me.
have themselves a
As
dragon,
if I have
General
never
Tullius is the only one who
deserted
can
the
stop
Empire.
them.
I want to make things right.
See that ruin up there? Bleak Falls Barrow. When I was a boy, that place always used to give me nightmares. Draugr creeping down the mountain to climb through my window at night. That kind of thing. I admit, I still don't much like the look of it.
Alright, it hasn't stuttered for me or lagged for me. This Modlist looks so beautiful, man.
These are the Guardian Stones. 3 of the 13 ancient standing stones that dot Skyrim's landscape. Go ahead, see for yourself.
Thief Stone, Warrior Stone.
Warrior. Good. I knew you shouldn't have been on that cult the minute I laid eyes on you.
Does the Empire believe in second chances? Because that's what I want. A second chance.
Listen, as far as I'm concerned, you've already earned your pardon. But until we get that confirmed by General Tullius, just stay clear of other Imperial soldiers and avoid any complications, all right?
Oh no. Okay. Alright. Stuttered for me there.
I'm glad you decided to come with me. We're almost to Riverwood.
I think this Modlist has a performance profile. If not, on the the Modlist page, it gives some instructions on, I guess, how to I don't really know how to
Things
explain
look
it
quiet enough here.
because I
Come
didn't
on,
read
there's
enough
my own.
about it. But it gives you some instructions to how to go on your computer, and I guess for performance, that's what it is. I just don't know the name of it. I can't think of it right now. Had a bar.
Uncle Alvar, hello.
Hadvar, what are you doing here? Are you on leave from shores, boats? What happened to you, boy?
Shh,
Are you in
Uncle,
some
please.
trouble?
Keep your voice down. I'm fine, but we should go inside to talk.
What's going on? And who's this?
He's a friend. Saved my life, in fact. Come on, I'll explain everything, but we need to go inside.
Okay, okay, come inside then. Sigrid will get you something to eat, and you can tell me all about it. Sigrid, we have company.
Why does she walk over
Hadvar,
there?
we've been so worried about you. Come, you two must be hungry. Sit down and I'll get you something to eat.
I'll stand.
Now then, boy, what's the big mystery? What are you doing here looking like you lost an argument with a cave bear?
I don't know where to start. You know I was assigned to General Tullius' guard. We were stopped in Helgen when we were attacked by a dragon.
A dragon? That's ridiculous. You aren't drunk, are you, boy?
Husband, let him tell his story.
Not much more to tell. This dragon flew over and just wrecked the whole place. Mass confusion. I don't know if anyone else got out alive. I doubt I'd made it out myself if not for my friend here. I need to get back to Solitude and let them know what's happened. I thought you could help us out. Food, supplies, a place to stay.
Of course. Any friend of Hadvar's is a friend of mine. I'm glad to help however I can. Like I said, I'm glad to help in any way I can. But I need your help. We need your help.
Yes, I'll take everything. Even though he doesn't really say. I guess it's just implied that I can take.
The Jarl needs
his
to know
gifts.
there's a dragon on the loose. Riverwood is defenseless. We need to get word to Jarl Balgruuf in Whiterun to send whatever soldiers he can. If you'll do that for me, I'll be in your debt.
Alright. Let's go.
Until next time.
Did you really see a dragon? What did it
I'm
look
just gonna
like? Did
skip
it have
that.
big teeth?
Well, I better get back to work. You two make yourselves at home.
No. I don't want it to be lagging. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it here. So far so good. I'm liking this mod list. I had problems with NGVO. I messed something up when I was trying to add like some city overhauls, and NGVO has northern roads, and that one requires a lot of patches, so I messed up the patching basically. But anyway, if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and remember, Jesus loves you. Take care.